Hello, and welcome to a brief introduction of process side treatment chemicals that GE Water and Process Technologies offers in refineries. This is a very simplified flow diagram of a refinery, and these are all of the places, or most of the places, where we can add treatment to help the customer increase his profitability. It's complicated, but it comes down really to basic categories of treatment: phase separation, corrosion control, antifoulants, and what we call finished product additives, which includes H2S scavengers. Phase separation. The primary objective of phase separation is to separate, as it says, oil and water, and this helps remove contaminants from the hydrocarbon streams, especially in desalting vessels. The brand name for this is Embrake, and we can see a picture of a microemulsion. We can see a picture of asphaltene precipitation, and we also use Embrake products to help remove metals from a crude. Also included in the phase separation category is slurry oil settling, known as Salset, and antifoams, which come under the Foamtrol and Maxamine brand names. Corrosion control is our second category. The primary objective here is to reduce corrosion in process equipment. Most of the time on the process side, this corrosion is water-based. Sometimes it isn't, but some of the same acid-base relationships that you're familiar with in boiler or cooling water chemistry also apply here. Our brand names for neutralizing amine is low salt. Filmers are materials that coat the inside of the pipe to prevent the water contact that we're talking about. Those are called Film Plus. Naphthenic acid inhibitors have the brand name Predator. Fouling control is a use of additives to reduce fouling and deposition in process equipment to maintain run length or throughput, or to save energy. The brand name here is called Thermoflow. We have a couple of basic categories: high and low temperature dispersants. We have special chemistries for control of fouling in the slurry loop, and we have inhibitors that control the growth of polymers in some hydrocarbons, which can eventually cause fouling. Some other products that fall under the antifoulant category are compressor fouling, which are GT products, fuel gas fouling, and our passivation line, which is dimetallic products. Finished product additives, unlike the other additives which go into the refinery process, these go into the refinery products as they leave. They must be certified for each application, and they are used to help meet pipeline or product specifications. The broad basic types are NACE corrosion inhibitors, oxidative stability improvers, stabilizers, cold flow improvers, and antioxidants. H2S scavengers is a special category sold under the ProSuite brand name that is added to either finished products, intermediates, or crude oil to reduce the H2S content of the vapor space above the product during transit. And as I said, those are called ProSuite products, and they fall into four broad categories for finished fuels, crude oil, intermediates, and asphalt. Back to our flow diagram, we're going to quickly review. We have Embrake products and Predator products, which are used to remove water and metals in the desalter. We have Thermoflow products used for fouling control in the crude unit atmospheric preheat, in the naphtha hydrotreater, in the slurry loop, and in the distillate hydrotreaters. We have our low salt amines used for neutralization in the atmospheric tower, Film Plus filmers, which keep water from contacting the metal surfaces in the atmospheric tower, in the naphtha hydrotreater, in the FCC, and in the coker. We have our Predator nap acid corrosion control used in the bottom sections of the atmospheric tower and the vacuum tower. We have our Maxamine products to reduce corrosion and foaming in gas treatment operations. We have our Salset slurry settling aid to reduce the ash content of the bottoms product from the slurry. We have coker anafoams in the coker. We have Spec Aid products that are used to treat gasoline streams from the reformer, the alkylation unit, the FCC gasoline hydrotreater. We have Spec Aid products that are used to control copper strip in LPG and kerosene. We have Spec Aid products that are used to control stability, cold flow, and corrosion in various distillate ULSD streams from the hydrotreaters. And finally, we have a ProSuite H2S scavenger, which is used in asphalt or 6-oil. Thank you for paying attention to the 4 types of process treatment that we offer in refineries.